Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be sharing my reaction to the video titled A Real Control System and How to Start Designing by Ryan Douglas. So one of my biggest takeaway from this video is that real engineering problems are very different from textbook problems. In class, we are usually given the transfer function and all the information we need, but in real situation, engineer must first understand the physical system, identify the problem, and decide how to model and control it. So the video used an example of designing a thermal control system for an Earth orbiting satellite, where the goal was to maintain the correct battery temperature despite changing environmental conditions. So another important lesson from the video is the importance of the feedback control. The presenter showed why an open loop system is risky in changing environment and demonstrated how feedback helps maintain stability and accuracy. So I also learned about different control approaches like bang control and PID control and how to improve system performance through testing and tuning. So the use real hardware, MATLAB, and Simulate made the explanation easier to understand because it's connected theory to practical application. Yes, the video was very helpful in improving my understanding of control system. Before watching it, I mostly focused on solving equation and analyzing transfer function. But this video helped me realize that control engineering is also about experimentation, styling, system modeling, troubleshooting, and continuous improvement. So I especially like how the presenter explained that there is no single perfect solution in engineering design. So as a future engineer, one important insight I gained is that engineer must know how to combine theory with practical testing. I learned that simulation tools like MATLAB and Simulink are very useful for modeling and verifying system before implementation. I also realized that designing a control system is an iterative process that involves testing, adjusting parameters, and improving the design over time. So overall, this video gave me a better understanding how real control systems are designed and how engineers solve practical engineering problems using feedback and system analysis. Thank you.